Forecast discussion, National Weather Service, Buffalo, New York, 3:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, December 25th, 2022. Synopsis: heavy lake effect snow will continue east of Lake Ontario tonight through Tuesday with several feet of additional accumulation in the most intense bands. Lake effect snow will continue to drop locally heavy snow east of Lake Erie through tonight over the Buffalo South Towns before the band weakens rapidly and moves north across Buffalo Monday morning. One last period of lake effect snow will develop Tuesday, then the storm will finally end by midweek with a significant warming trend late in the week. Near term through Tuesday, heavy lake effect snow will continue east of the lakes. The intense low, which brought blizzard conditions the past few days, is weakening and moving slowly east across central and northern Quebec. This will maintain a moist cyclonic flow of cold air over the eastern Great Lakes and support lake effect snow through Tuesday. A short wave and weak secondary cold front will cross the eastern Great Lakes late Monday night and Tuesday. This will allow for a brief intensification of lake effect snow. Winds will remain strong enough through tonight to produce blowing and drifting snow, but nothing like the past few days. Most of the blowing snow will end by Monday morning. Off of Lake Erie, a moderately strong band of snow continues late this afternoon to the northeast of the lake, from the southwest corner of Erie County into the Buffalo South Towns. This band of snow will remain nearly in place through the first half of tonight with minor north-south oscillations. The band will also weaken through the evening hours. Late tonight and Monday morning, the weakening band will move north across the Buffalo metro area, but it will be in a much weakened state with only minor impacts expected. The weak lake snow will continue through Monday and Monday evening, then intensify again Monday night and Tuesday morning over the Buffalo North Towns. The band will drift south to the Buffalo South Towns by early Tuesday and continue through the morning before gradually weakening. The lake effect snow will completely end by late Tuesday afternoon or evening. Total additional accumulations will still reach 1 to 2 feet across southwest Erie County and the Buffalo South Towns from a combination of events tonight through Tuesday. The city of Buffalo will see 6 to 12 inches in several different batches, greatest in South Buffalo and lowest in North Buffalo. Off of Lake Ontario, a strong band of snow continues late this afternoon over central Jefferson and northern Lewis counties. This band will drift very slowly south into southern Jefferson and northern western Lewis County tonight and likely clip far northwestern Oswego County as well. This band should intensify further tonight with 3 or more inches per hour snowfall rates in the center of the band. This band will remain in place through early Monday morning and then drift north across Jefferson County and weaken mid to late morning Monday. The band may weaken to scattered light snow showers briefly Monday afternoon, then the approach of the trough and associated deeper moisture, improved convergence and synoptic support will allow the band to intensify again over northern Jefferson County Tuesday evening, where it will remain much of Tuesday night before drifting south and east across Jefferson and northern Lewis counties Tuesday morning. The band will then weaken in the afternoon. Additional accumulations in the most persistent bands will be 2 to 3 feet, with a small area of 3 or more feet possible in southern Jefferson County and the northern Tug Hill. Short-term, weak clipper looks to move across the region Tuesday night into Wednesday. Ongoing southwest full lake effect off Lake Ontario will be weakening Tuesday night, with little in the way of additional accumulations expected as temperatures warm aloft and ridging starts to work in. With a period of dry weather Wednesday night, Arctic air mass starts to retreat Wednesday into Wednesday night. Long-term Thursday through Sunday, this period will feature a ridge along the eastern seaboard and a trough over the central continental United States, leading to deep layer south-southwesterly flow over the region. One wave of low pressure will move from the plains towards the upper Midwest. A lot of confidence in that, by the way, early in the period. Those words were added by me, by the way. Sufficient moisture return for some rain showers is expected, though the better forcing stays off to our west to northwest. This should keep rainfall amounts fairly light. Next, more significant wave takes shape over the southern plains. I'm not sure which one there's more confidence in. Southern plains Friday and Friday night and lifts into the Great Lakes over the weekend. This wave of low pressure will bring a better surge of moisture and will track closer to the local area, meaning it will bring greater rain chances. The main potential for rain appears to be later Saturday into Sunday. Models have the typical differences in track and timing of the low for 6 to 7 days out, so expect better specifics as we get closer, but it will be a mild system. But may still have hydrologic impacts with expected snow melt and rainfall amounts, but too early to deal with specifics. It should be pointed out that 16 consecutive hours of zero visibility was reported over the weekend in the Buffalo area. Here's hydrology. There's a small risk for flooding next weekend, with any flooding likely to be more of the minor nuance variety. Much warmer weather is on the way, and significant snowmelt will start on Thursday when highs reach into the 40s. Warm weather will continue through at least the weekend, with highs in the lower 50s at most locations. There's high confidence in this. However, snowmelt alone rarely causes flooding. Latest model guidance suggests the system will bring generally light rainfall to the region next weekend, with rainfall amounts in the quarter to half-inch range. This would push some of the Buffalo Creeks and Black River to action stage, but it should take around an inch of rain from this system before flooding becomes a concern. There's a small risk this will happen, but in general, the flood risk is low but non-zero. There's a winter storm warning which remains in effect until 4 a.m. for Erie and Genesee counties. The greatest additional snow accumulations across southwest Erie County, the Buffalo South Towns, and southwest Genesee County. This is until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The impacts travel will be very difficult with deep snow cover in roads with poor visibility. Widespread accumulating snow will create dangerous travel conditions. This is heavy lake effect snow. Additional snow accumulations of 7 to 14 inches. This is from 3:37 p.m. today to 4 a.m. about a 12-hour period. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour will produce blowing and drifting snow, especially through this evening.